Guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm kind of just giving you a little showcase on this. Now, it's not a Nerf gun, it's a water gun, and it's actually pretty cool and looks pretty sick, and that's where it shoots out of. I'm just giving you a little showcase of this today, and the handle's there. It's a nice comfy handle. Oh, it's a pump gun, so I mean it still has the trigger. What you have to do is, I think you have to pull it back twice. The more you pull it back, the more water it's going to get out. So you just do it once, it doesn't get mixed. So if you do that, get quite a lot. So that is kind of annoying how it does that, but it's a nice looking gun. I mean, it's quite nice looking. It's called Tiday Assassin. Nice cool name as well. So yeah. You can kind of just go around these corners. You should pump it always before you go around. Go down. Guy comes in. Guy comes behind you. Got him. So it's pretty good gun. The only kind of annoying thing is you have to pump it a few times. But leave a comment down below if you like the look of it. And yes. It's quite a nice gun. So yeah. See you next video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this little short showcase video on Tiday Assassin. We'll see you next video.